So, basically last night, we were talking for a really long time. We were like, oh, talk. So then, we were like, okay, it is time to go to bed. Bed is happening now. Like,
Right now.
ASAP. We're sleeping. Mm-hmm. Okay.
For real.
So, yeah. And, it gets really quiet. And then all of a sudden, I'm like, oh my God, Cheech and Chong. And I'm just thinking this in my head. And then all of a sudden, I was like, I must sing. And so I was like, make American, don't let them get up early in the morning, but they have to, so they do it really slow.
They do.
Yeah, and then Mariana sang it. And,
The second part.
the second part.
Yeah.
Sing it.
Oh, it's the Mexican American, go to high school and take Spanish and get a B. It's my favorite part.
That's her favorite part.
Because it's real.
My favorite part is when the hippie guy is all like, oh man, dude, I wrote a song. It's kind of like the same thing.
Oh my God, don't sing it.
Only different.
Let's move on with the story.
Okay, yeah. And so then she showed me these pictures of the new interns, right? Okay, so she's like, oh, look, here's the people. And I was like, oh.
This is tonight, not last night.
Oh, yeah,
tonight.
this is not
Not
last night.
not last night.
I don't even know, man. I don't even know. Okay, anyway. I was like, this fellow Abraham.
That's my roommate. I'm not just randomly screaming.
But it was like completely not on purpose. Like it just kind of happened.
Like she's a monocle.
fellow.
A monocle.